What's up everybody, Fanboy here, and today I'm giddy because it's one of those times of the year, Apple Watch time. Just received my Apple Watch Series 6, UPS just delivered it. They were supposed to deliver it on Friday, but they decided to torture me over the weekend, I guess. I ordered it right after it became available after Apple's Time Flies event, the online event that Apple had last week when they announced the new iPad and iPad Air and the Apple Watch Series 6 and the Apple Watch SE. So I ordered it right after the event was over. It was supposed to be delivered on Friday, but I just got it this morning. So I've been looking forward to getting my hands on it, seeing what's different. The Apple Watch Series 6 adds a few really cool features to an already stellar smartwatch that was the Apple Watch Series 5. They added a full-time altimeter and a pulse oximeter that measures the amount of oxygen in your blood, which is a huge indicator for health. And also they added an always on screen that stays on even when your arm is down, so you can peek at your watch and see what's going on without having to wake it up. So I've been really looking forward to opening it up and comparing it to the Apple Watch Series 5 too, because I've been ordering the Apple Watch, the Space Black stainless steel version of the Apple Watch since Apple Watch Series 1 became available. And I've been keeping my Space Black Link bracelet, which is another $450. I've been keeping that since my Apple Watch Series 1, but Apple has, with the Apple Watch Series 6, Apple has changed the name of the color. It's not called Space Black anymore. They call it Graphite. So I am curious to see if my Space Black Link bracelet is gonna match the color of the new Apple Watch Series 6, and also to put on the new braided solo loop and the silicone solo loop too, which I ordered. So let's take a look at it together. Let's get going. All right, let's take a look at it. As always, Apple packaging is a lesson in simplicity and ease of use. It just says watch on the front, Apple Watch. Then there is a little plastic tab for you to open it up. It could not be easier. The box seems to be a little smaller this year than in previous years. They're always trying to reduce the carbon footprint, the amount of material used in the boxes, and this is no different. So it is smaller than previous Apple Watch boxes. Is it as long as the previous ones? I guess you can't really reduce that because you need to have the band and everything else in there, but it is thinner. You can tell it's a little thinner. Okay, open the flaps. Nice, all right. The solo loop. So one thing that's different about this band, if you guys haven't heard about it yet, is so this is the solo loop, which is, it doesn't have a buckle. It's a one piece of stretchable silicone that you attach to the Apple Watch, and you just stretch it when you're putting the watch on and taking it off. And you have to use what Apple calls a sizing tool that you download and print at home just to measure the circumference of your wrist. Mine is size 9, and I already had ordered the braided loop, and it works perfectly. Size 9 was great, so I ordered the same one for the Apple Watch. Now, the watch itself. All right, designed by Apple in California. Just gonna be your basic quick setup. Charging cable. So this is the first Apple Watch that Apple includes a magnetic charging cable, but not the power brick. So there are also rumors that the new iPhone, the iPhone 12, won't come with a power brick in the box, not unlike the Apple Watch. So it's the first time that, yes, you do get the magnetic charging cable, but not the power brick. And I'm sure we all have plenty of those at home by now. And here is the main guy. All right. Comes in a nice little protective pouch. Oh, hello. Yeah, it's close enough. As you can see in this shot, the Apple Watch Series 6 in graphite on the right is indeed slightly lighter in color than the Space Black Series 5. But it isn't very noticeable, and it still looks pretty good with the Space Black Link bracelet. And here it is with the new incredibly comfortable solo loop band. And the braided solo loop band, which looks and feels pretty awesome and has quickly become my favorite watch band, except for the fact that $100 kinda sounds absurd for a stretchable canvas band. The only other noticeable exterior difference between the two watches is the redesigned sensor array on the back of the watch, with the Series 6 adding a cluster of 4 LEDs and 4 photodiodes that are used to measure your blood oxygen levels. All the other significant changes are on the inside, starting with the new dual-core S6 system-in-package silicone, which Apple says makes the Series 6 20% faster when launching apps when compared to the Apple Watch Series 5. The new processor also makes the Apple Watch Series 6 more power efficient, leading to faster charging times and no loss in battery life when compared with the Series 5, even though the Series 6 has a new always-on screen that's up to 2 times brighter than that of the Series 5. The Apple Watch Series 6 is also Apple's first wearable to include the U1 chip, featuring the faster Wi-Fi 6 protocol and ultra-wideband for precise positioning that will be used for things like device location and next-generation digital car keys in the future. The only other new technology worth mentioning is the new real-time altimeter, which joins the already impressive list of sensors the Series 6 inherits from the Apple Watch Series 5, like heart rate sensors, accelerometers, microphones, speakers, and more. Also worth noting is that, along with the Apple Watch Series 6, Apple released watchOS 7, the latest version of the Apple Watch operating system that includes a ton of cool new features like new, more customizable watch faces and watch face types with rich new complications, watch face sharing, sleep tracking, family setup, Siri translations, new workout types, hand washing detection, and much, much more. You don't need the Apple Watch Series 6 to run watchOS 7, as it is compatible with Apple Watch Series 3 and newer. So, there you have it. The Apple Watch Series 6 is another step forward in Apple's steady march towards consolidating and maintaining their dominance in wearables. To be clear, the upgrades, especially if you're coming from the Apple Watch Series 5, are pretty minor and may not be worth the price difference. The Apple Watch Series 6 starts at $450 for the 40mm aluminum version without cellular. But if you have an Apple Watch Series 3 or earlier, it's definitely worth considering the Series 6 as, on top of the new real-time altimeter, brighter always-on screen, new processor, Wi-Fi 6 and ultra-wideband support, you will also get all the great features introduced with the Series 4 and 5 like ECG, compass, fall detection, etc. If you think you don't need things like blood oxygen measuring and ECG, Apple also introduced at the same event the new Apple Watch SE, which starts at $280 for the version without cellular connectivity and includes everything else the Series 6 includes. Oh, except for the always-on Retina display. Alright, there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of the Apple Watch Series 6. Hope it was informative, and if you liked it, please remember to hit like below and to subscribe to the channel, right? Catch you on the next one. Fanboy out.